Today's work may not seem like much, but I got a whole bunch of doors to try to figure out what goes where. It's cleaner than it looks, trust me. I just gotta trim them down and put them in the right amp. May not look like much of a blueprint, but it is. Trust me, it makes sense to me. Okay, yesterday's work was a whole lot of wire running and wire hiding, mids and high wire, stuff you really can't get too excited about, but it was a big mess, and now it's all cleaned up. I'll just show you what it's starting to look like, and then once I put the wires in, I'll show it to you again. But anyways, you saw what I showed you a minute ago. All the wires are right where they need to go. They're trimmed right in front of their terminals. That's why I just got to strip them back. Double check the polarity with my little polarity tester. You can get these over at mobilesolutions.com. That's mobilesolutionsusa.com. They got a banner on my front page. So anyways, if you click that, you'll be able to find it. It's a really useful tool. With this many mids and highs, you gotta make sure that your phasing is correct. So anyways, I'm gonna hook up these wires, and that'll be it for those, and then I'll be on to the last 3 amps. There's the wires for the 4s and the 8s. Those tuck away nice. One more to go. Got that Fosgate 12 gauge for the 6.5s and the 8s. It's so sexy, I just had to get it on film real quick. It's good stuff. Okay, so all that's hooked up. I still gotta add some more stuff to the processors. That'll be tomorrow, because I'm tired. I'm ready to kick my feet back today.
Can't nothing come between us, can't nothing separate us. You my backbone, you my rib, you my chick, you my backbone, you my rib, you my chick. It's the little things that count. Any means much, can't nothing come between us, can't nothing separate us.
Alright, that is just the mids, the 6.5-inch mids only. Still got the 4s, the 8s, and the tweeters. That ain't no tweeters or anything. That's just the mids only. There's no tweeters hooked up yet. I haven't gotten to that. But it does play. So far so good.
I'ma let you live. Psych. I'm living like that. And I'm riding like that. Or I'm riding like that. And the steering wheel wood like a baseball bat. Just like what she said, we ready. Whole big straight, no fix like Nelly. Grand Marquis, paint job, great jelly. Or triple BCB, black box Chevy. Break my car, she be humming. I'm so big.
Not bad for 4 6.5. Bumped pretty hard. Ain't even turned up.
I slam, got a lot of niggas pissed off. Yeah, paint shine like lip gloss. Cadillac got a wide body like Rick Ross. Took time for my cash got right. If I want it, I'ma buy it.
Yeah, bumping some beats. Got some 6.5s. Gonna jam out, go get some RCAs. Man, it feels good to hear something except just the motor and all the other noises my truck makes. Yeah.